Hello everybody, welcome back to TanFan Productions. It is Thursday, May 8th, 2025 at 6:32 p.m. And who remembers the old General Electric heat pump that was here? Well, a few months after filming, it actually got replaced here at this Turkey Hill. And it appears to be from 2018, July of 2018, if you see the serial number W1G8. So 18 means 2018 and G appears to be July. And I just looked up some information to figure it out. And it appears to be a 5-ton, the 60 right there. I'm not going to get a video of it running. In fact, this place actually just closed, and they just started tearing up the gas pumps. In fact, I don't know if they're tearing down the building or not, but yeah, this is a 2018 York heat pump that replaced the old GE. It is a 5-ton from July of 2018 as it appears. Thank you all for watching, and have a great day. Out.